Hey guys, I'm here to give y'all a video of um it's I saw a King Kong movie like yesterday, and it was I'm gonna be showing y'all how to make paper airplanes because this is dedicated to Jackie B, because she asked me if I could uh if I could show her how to make paper airplanes, and so I guess I'll show her a video of how to, and you guys, I'll show you guys too. And so I guess I'll show you guys like the video. So what you're gonna need is 3 pieces of paper, an Expo orange marker, and athlete's foot spray. So you take the pieces of paper, and I just ate Oreos, so if you see something black in my teeth, please tell me, because that's a little embarrassing. And so first thing, you take a piece of paper, and you go ahead and you're taking the piece of paper and you're gonna have to fold it in half, like so. And then get your Expo marker and color a stripe across it on both sides. Then throw that away. You just throw it away. You don't really need it. I don't know what I was doing. And then take a piece of paper and fold it in half, like that. And draw squiggles on it on both sides. On both sides, and you can go ahead and make a letter on it if you want, and just don't make it noticeable at all. And you can go ahead and make squigglies on it like I did. I made a lot of squigglies on this side, and then on this side I did too. So, and then throw it away, because we don't need this pieces of paper. So yeah, throw it away. Uh, uh, sorry. I, um, I had an itch really bad. So, take your piece of paper and fold it in half. And draw squigglies on it. Go ahead and do it on both sides. Yeah, just keep on. You can draw whatever you want. Go ahead and make like a little diary, little part. Like, I would never do that though. That would just be embarrassing, I think. Yeah, go ahead and draw whatever you want. Because nobody's gonna see what you put on it, so go ahead and make like whatever you want. It doesn't matter. And so I just went ahead and made some squigglies like this, just like any other ordinary airplane looks like, with like some lines and like decorating on it. You know what I mean? Like a lot of airplanes. Go ahead and do that. Okay, so go ahead and take the piece of paper and bite one of the corners off, just like that, and go ahead and eat it. Doesn't really matter if you eat it or don't. I like to eat it because I like to eat paper. It tastes good. And then once you bite it off, throw it away, and take your expo marker and throw it. And same for this. Go ahead.